Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings button to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down to find camera. Now let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings, and here we can find the use volume up for burst option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on, and let's move out from settings to the camera. Now to take the burst shot we have to tap on volume up button, which is here from the left. So let's try to use this. When we pick it a little bit longer, as you can see we get access to the countdown and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.